guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to check a new laptop from HP, which is the HP 15s-du3502TX model. And this laptop is actually intended for productivity instead of gaming. Even though it has a dedicated NVIDIA graphics card, it is only an entry-level dedicated graphics card. Before we continue with the testing and everything, let us try to check what are the specifications of this unit. It has an i5 11th Gen 4-core 8-thread CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, graphics card which is NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 with 2 GB of memory, 512 GB of NVMe SSD, 1080p display with 15.6 inches screen size, 720p HD camera. For the external ports, we have 1 gigabit LAN port, 1 SD card reader, 1 HDMI port, 1 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A port, 1 headphone/microphone combo port, and also a numpad, which is actually great for accountants or people who are dealing with a lot of number or computation. And this unit is already Windows 11 and has a Microsoft Office installed on this unit. For productivity like work from home, online school where you need to access email, compose email, send email, read email, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, web browser, this is more than enough for that daily use. While for AutoCAD, Adobe Premiere, Photoshop, etc., this will still work great, but don't expect too much, especially on rendering or video encoding, because it won't be as fast as the unit that has a GTX or RTX graphics cards with them, but this unit will still do the job. And for built-in webcam 720p resolution, it is actually a little bit grainy when you try to check that one out. Let's try to check the actual footage that we have recorded earlier. And guys, this will be the quality of the camera I'm using and also the microphone that is built in on the laptop. Okay, like most built-in webcam on the other laptop that I have tested, they are actually not performing great with low light situation, but as what you have seen, it is still an acceptable image or video on this laptop. Even the mic or audio is actually clear as well. And now for the gaming performance. Let us try to start with CSGO. Everything was high, or every settings was configured as on high settings. And we are getting an average of 60 FPS. While we have tried to lower the settings to medium, and we have an improvement to 78 FPS. For me, the gaming experience for CSGO is not the greatest, but it is still a playable game for this laptop. For Apex Legends, unfortunately, this one is heavier with graphics, and we have already set the configuration to 720p resolution, and every setting is configured to low, and we are still getting only an average of 33 FPS. For other games that is not 3D intensive, it will do just fine, like the games like Dota 2, Balloons Tower Defense, Plants vs. Zombies, Axis, and other games as well. Overall, for the gaming experience, it is actually playable. But as what we have mentioned earlier, this is more of a productivity rather than a gaming laptop. So you can still play games, but not just with the highest settings or highest configuration or the heavy graphics games. Okay, now let us try to talk about battery life. I have tried to put a video file on this laptop and try to watch it over and over and again and see how long will the battery last for that video. And I think it is, fortunately, we are able to reach 4 hours of watching movies, or maybe we can play 2 full movies on this laptop. While for productivity like email, web browsing, it gave me 2 to 3 hours of battery life. For me, that is actually more than enough for productivity. But please don't try to check out their website and actually check the laptop battery life performance on their webpage, because it is no way near the actual battery performance that we're getting right now compared to the one that they have posted on their website. For the verdict, this laptop is priced at $41,500, and I believe it is a reasonable price since you'll be getting an i5 11th Gen with 8 gigs of RAM, a dedicated video card, and a Microsoft Office installed on this unit, compared to getting a laptop with an i3 or a Pentium processor, which will be a lot cheaper, but the performance will also not be that great compared to this laptop. So if you want a laptop that is more than for productivity and will not let you down for productivity and still play casual games, this HP 15s-du3502TX is more than enough for you. But if you are more focused on competitive games or graphics intensive games, this is not the laptop for you. And in addition, I forgot to mention that this laptop still has an additional slot for RAM, so you can upgrade the memory of this laptop as well. And I think that will be all, and I hope you like the video, and if you have questions and comment down below or message me at Chavez at Facebook. And I think that will be all. Stay safe, have a great day, thanks for watching, bye.